So here's the first truing of a second-hand wheel that's probably done 7 to 10,000 kilometers. It's my old beautiful old Ambrosia, a wheel I built a while ago. It's done a lot of miles, but this new stand's come out grand, and as you can see there, we're true to within 0.2 of a mil. It's a very very touchy stand. Each time you tap anything, it tells you all about it. There's a bit of flex there, but you shouldn't get a feel for it. But to get an old wheel to within that true on the first go, perfectly dished, is not a bad effort, I don't reckon. Quite pleased with it. Not a bad stand. Not a bad bleeding day's work.